The partial lunar eclipse just wrapped up a few minutes ago. If you didn't get a chance to see it, this is kind of what it looked like. So there was this little smudge that kind of ate into the top of the moon. It's as the moon went into the Earth's shadow by just a little bit, which is why it was a partial lunar eclipse. So thanks to all the viewers sending in those gorgeous photos so far. So that's how lunar eclipses work. Basically, the Earth casts a shadow out into space as it is blocking some of that sun's light. Now, the blue light does scatter out in the Earth's atmosphere, so the Earth's shadow ends up projecting a red color out behind it. And so when the moon is able to cross within that shadow during a total lunar eclipse, when it's fully in the Earth's shadow, it looks red. It looks kind of eerie. As of tonight, though, it just nudged into the shadow, which is why that little portion across the top of the moon was blocked. We didn't fully see the red color because the moon didn't fully get into the shadow, but that's what happens during a lunar eclipse. The moon goes behind the Earth, and we get to see that shadow projected on top of it. Over the rest of the night, we'll have clear, calm, cool conditions down into the 50s, and then it's right back to it as of tomorrow. So for the 10th day in a row, we will see highs in the 80s, lots of sunshine, morning heating up rapidly. So if you're going out to things like the Edgebrook Farmers Market, you've got beautiful summer weather to enjoy, to check out that produce. And then in the afternoon, that heat is still there with some dry conditions. Highs will be in the upper 80s for another day in a row. Changes occur, though, late this week. Thursday night, a cold front comes through and may bring with it our first rain chance in quite some time, where we're still looking at the driest September on record. Pending, though, Thursday night's results, may see some of that rain try to last into early Friday morning. We'll have to see if that's able to do that. And then a stronger cold front comes through between Sunday and Monday. That brings in the big drop in temperatures as well as more meaningful rainfall. So even though a weak cold front comes through Thursday night, we're still in the 80s going into the weekend. Then the 70s return after 2 weeks starting Sunday. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, all of next week feels a little bit more like September. We've got the mid-70s with more chances for rain coming down the pipeline.